Hi, I'm Brad Briner, General Manager here at Shepherd's Family Auto. I want to personally thank you for purchasing your vehicle with us. We wish you many miles of happy, enjoyable driving. Before you head out, I'd like to share a few important things with you. First, service. Every manufacturer recommends regular maintenance, and our service team is here to help. With modern equipment and more than 100 years of combined factory-trained GM experience, we are dedicated to keeping your vehicle in top condition. Second, parts and accessories. Our certified parts department is fully stocked with manufacturer-approved parts, and our staff can also help you personalize your vehicle with the right accessories that make your vehicle truly yours. Third, collision repair. Should you ever need body work or repairs, our Shepherd's Collision Center is here for you. Our technicians are trained to restore your vehicle with quality workmanship and manufacturer-approved parts, so you can have peace of mind in getting back on the road. Finally, you're going to receive a survey by text and email about your purchase experience. We'd really appreciate you taking a few minutes to complete it. It helps us to continue to improve and to serve you better. Once again, thank you for choosing Shepherd's. Welcome to the family, and enjoy the road ahead in your new vehicle.